So, hi everyone, it's Mehdi and Thomas, and today we're gonna present to you our video game project. So, I talk about the story of a little bulb that has to cross a city in order to end up in a recycled trash can and not pollute the earth. So, we're gonna analyze our games. There and there, this is our little bulb and our main character of the video game. Um, he spawned in this little recycled trash can, and you control him with the arrow button and the jump button if you want to pass over the platform that we put here and here. For make the game complicate, we also put enemies who moves and can kill you if they touch you. But you can kill the little police car if you jump over him. So as you can see, we put other many platform, and here, as I said, we put two little little obstacle, and they can kill you, and they move with the go left and go right. They move like that, and that's it. And there is the final checkpoint. So if you've been killed by the obstacle and you don't touch the checkpoint here, you respawn at the beginning of the game. But if you touch the checkpoint here and you've been killed by the enemies, you respawn at this checkpoint. So we're gonna pass at the properties of our player. We put three properties: one for the idle, the picture of base, one for the jumping with a little animation, and one for the running. And we also put properties on our little police car, and we have two properties for the little police car, one for the walking and one for the dead. If you kill the police car, the car is gonna be like that. For the beginning of the game, we put also a player hitbox, and I'm gonna talk about the the background. We put a sunset background of a city, and we focus the camera on our little player, so we also see this background. We put cloud, and you can from this platform you can jump on the cloud. See the free cloud here. There is the go right and go left. the free platform, and the final checkpoint. So I'm gonna show you a gameplay of our game. So there is a gameplay of our video game. So as you can see, there the player don't touch the final checkpoint and he respawn at the first checkpoint. Here he kill the enemies with jumping over there. He jump on the cloud. There is two others police car. So he been killed by a police car and he come at the beginning of the game. He killed the two police car and uh he gonna come at the end of this game. Now he touched the final checkpoint so he can die and if he die he gonna respawn at the end checkpoint like that. So thanks for watching.